Hello, fellows. Thank you so much for this tremendous opportunity to be a part of a group that I have admired for years. Over the past 25 years, I have worked at one of the largest professional services firms in the world in Arthur Andersen as a strategy consultant. And I've worked in the smallest of AmLaw firms, as well as three other AmLaw firms in the role of Chief Strategy and Business Development Officer. In each of those stops, I leaned in to the idea of maximizing my firm's collective capabilities to be able to provide greater value to both clients and the firm, as well as to each professional. I call this collaborative growth. When I was young, I was influenced greatly by a mentor who told me that my purpose is to help the most amount of people in the shortest amount of time. So when the COVID crisis came, I ventured out and I started my own company called Credo, and it's dedicated to collaborative growth. And I spend most of my time helping law firms develop go-to-market strategies and structures, enhance the effectiveness of their teams and operations, as well as business development coaching. And you already know I do presentations at retreats and facilitations and workshops to help the change around, to instigate the change. If you want to know what I really like, my interests include barbecue and beer. So be ready, fellows, that if I ever come to your hometown, I'm going to ask you to take me to your favorite barbecue restaurant, and you have to recommend to me your favorite local IPA, because I love great conversations over barbecue and beer. And to finish up, I have to thank my family. And most importantly, I have to thank my Wonder Woman of a wife who is in the audience right now. She's a former AmLaw partner, as well as now she's a VP for a large company. She lives and breathes legal as we do. So it's a life thing for us. Last thing to my fellows, I hope each of us have the opportunity to be able to work together and collaborate to help the most amount of people in the shortest amount of time. Thank you again.